Welcome to Homework Lib.
Given x times 2 minus 3x less than or equal to 0, since it's already factored, you want to consider, and we have to graph anyways, that if this was equal to 0, then by the zero factor theorem, that x would be equal to 0, and 2 minus 3x would be equal to 0, which would mean 2 would be equal to 3x, and x would be equal to 2/3. So 0 and 2/3 are important parts that we need to be checking our solutions. So let's check something to the left of 0, like -1 in test. Is -1 times 2 minus 3 times -1 less than or equal to 0? Well, 2 minus -3 is 2 plus 3, or 5. And then we'd have -5 less than or equal to 0. That is true, so we're good here. Check something between 0 and 2/3, like 1/3. Is 1/3 times 2 minus 3 times 1/3 less than or equal to 0? 3 times a third is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and a third of 1 is a third. And is that less than or equal to 0? It is not. And check something to the right of 2/3, like 1. Is 1 times 2 minus 3 times 1 less than or equal to 0? And we get 1 times -1, which is -1. That is less than or equal to 0. And so our solution, since we already know 0 and 2/3 are equal to, and this is or equal to, that it's going to be closed and to the left of 0 and closed at 2/3 and to the right of. And so that's our graph in interval notation. That would be from -infinity to 0 included, union 2/3 included, to infinity.